Hi, this is Patty Vaillancourt from Computer Coach for You, and today I'm going to show you how to use Dragon software with Microsoft Outlook to manage your email. So Dragon is the little bar that is right up here on my screen. I can move it back and forth, and when I move away from it, it then collapses. Wake up, switch to Microsoft Outlook. Go to top, delete message, move down 4, move message to folder, follow up. Okay. Create new message. Patty. Enter. Tab 2. Test message. Tab. Dear Patty, comma, new paragraph. Thank you for the opportunity to meet with me today, period. I really enjoyed our conversation, period. If you have any additional questions, comma, please don't hesitate to contact me at 716-575-7928, period. Bold, thank you for the opportunity. Underline, I really enjoyed our conversation. Send. Go to sleep. That is how quick you can actually create a message and send it off by voice. And you can forward messages, reply to messages, you can move over to your different folders, and I'll show you some of that now. Wake up, go to Sent Items, go to Drafts, go to Inbox. Move down 6. Forward message. Close message. Go to Calendar. Move down 4. New appointment. Dinner with Janice. Start time. Tab 2. 7 p.m. Tab 3. 8:30 p.m. Categorize. Personal. Save and close. Go to sleep. So as you can see, I now have an appointment in my calendar for December 4th. And you can do this with many different things, appointments, recurring appointments, meetings, and it's very handy. There are so many built-in commands for Microsoft Outlook, and it's hard to tell you them all because they just vary. So anyway, that is how to use Dragon with Microsoft Outlook. It can be used with other email programs as well, like Gmail and Yahoo Mail. Those are web-based, so the process is a little bit different. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to showing you more videos at a later date.